right, so most of us know our Jamaican artists by their stage names, but how well do you know their real names? So let's take the quiz. Like, what is Empress's right name? What's the first one?
I'm a reggae singer, so
yeah, you are.
This is for you.
Anthony Moses Davis, Beanie Man.
Beanie Man.
I think you'd do it the other way around.
What? Give it and
Put
tell
Beanie
and say,
Man and
oh no, that's gonna be hard.
Of course, that's how it's supposed to be. Go again.
Okay, go ahead. Lady
Saw.
Saw, Marion Hall. Let's see who this is now. Glendale, that sound like Idonia? No. What Idonia real name again? Who's Glendale? All right, Gosha. Goshia?
Busy Signal.
I was gonna say that, you know. No, it is busy.
Yeah,
oh, there you go. Interesting middle name. Movado. Constantine.
Easy. It would be more difficult the other way.
I give the viewers a chance now. Who's Andre Sutherland? Popcorn. A popcorn name, sir?
No.
I wouldn't name, sir. Brap, 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 brap.
Easy.
Aye. A very young. Is it international reggae day and very young people?
Actually knew that one.
Where the veteran?
Come on, man.
Romaine Virgo. No, Romaine Anderson. Romaine, no, Virgo, and real name. Romaine, my brain. Chichi, Chiching Ching. Way up.
Chichi.
No, I meant.
You sure I am?
No, I mean, who's Romaine?
I don't think.
Black Rhino. Yeah. Oh, now I learned something new. Romaine Anderson. Black Rhino. That's your other name.
No,
all right.
That's his right name.
No, his government name.
Oh.
His name is Black Rhino, and his government name is Romaine Anderson.
Okay.
All right? So, let's see who's next. Elephant Man.
Yes.
O'Neil Bryan.
Somebody here said it. I didn't know that. So that's the first one. No, it's two I get wrong.
Is that right or wrong?
Yeah,
okay.
Two I get wrong.
So this is the thing now.
What is the thing now?
I remember when I was in Colombia with Sugar Minot, and I want to remember a lot of these entertainers right now. May he rest in peace. Okay, wait. Before we guess this one, give the viewers a chance. I remember he said, dancehall is also a part of reggae. You know, we try to separate it, reggae and dancehall. So I know some people are saying, but they're dancehall artists. No, it's one genre really. And dancehall, it falls under reggae. Would you agree?
It's Jamaican music.
Jamaican music, but as we break down the genres, because you have ska.
Yeah.
It's, you know, anyway, it's reggae.
Who is Glenroy Anthony Smith?
Let me tell you, hold on. Glenroy Anthony Smith.
I went to say Anthony B.
Yeah, the Anthony. I don't know. I don't think that's him. Ernie Smith.
Oh. If I thought about it, I'd get it. Sorry if Smiles Ernie.
But you know, come on.
Yeah, sorry, Miles Ernie.
Yeah, how are you supposed to know their government name?
Shaggy.
We know that one. Buju Banton.
One day, easy.
Next. Let's give the viewers a chance. Sheldon. I know this one. Ding Dong. No. Is Sheldon? What? No, who named Sheldon?
You don't know who named Sheldon? I know this one.
Who that again? Well, me not sign them checks, you know.
Who is Sheldon?
Watch it, I know.
I know his name.
So tell us, who is Sheldon?
I think it was in a group of 4, now they're down to 2. Poo. I know him.
Idonia. I did Idonia. Okay. All right, how many we go now? How many more?
Guess who?
Cross, angry, miserable, bounty killer.
Isn't that P-R-Y it's spelled?
Which one?
Bounty Killer.
Price? I don't know. Who's this now? I don't know Damien. Damien Beckett.
That is, I used to coach that young man.
Come.
I'm certain is it. I used to coach him at Duane Park. Sham.
Damien Beckett. That's Sham's name?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You know, these artists may be like,
Don't
yo,
them,
me know
don't
everybody
them
know
take
me.
when the baby know when them just them Sham, that's all. So them don't
Oh,
name
he's
baby
just Sham, yeah.
John Taylor.
Oh, I'll give up now. It's getting crazy.
John Taylor. John Taylor. I kind of know.
Who's John Taylor?
We know you know.
Who is it?
No, I don't hear. I didn't hear.
Who is it?
I think I know his who.
Put it up.
I know his who, but them say I'm gonna write it down. Cause them say them think I hear and I didn't hear.
You know he always hears.
No.
John.
No, I didn't hear. I think it's him, but I don't know.
All right, let's see. I'll tell you if he was right. Yeah, you're right, Neville. Why you never just say
because them person
Chakademus?
inside say me here, I'm not here.
So what player's name?
Pliers. Everton Blender.
Oh, that is. No, Everton Blender. No, Everton Blender that. Come
It's
on.
the same name.
That's my name.
Him right name is
And
Everton
my name,
Blender.
I'm stage name too. Come no man, don't trick me.
Michael, go all right, you laugh.
I'm tingling. Oh, hang on. What just happened there?
It's the same name. That's his right name, Everton Dennis Williams. His no name Blender.
Oh! So what we're supposed to say?
Everton Williams. Him don't name Everton Blender.
No, they're supposed to put Everton Williams and we say it's Everton Blender. What's his stage name? Everton Blender. But they put the stage name instead of the real name like everybody else. So the producer has completely messed up the program.
Well, actually, that's right. I never realized.
Well, I'm never usually wrong. You know, Una threw me off. Because I'm like, if. Okay.
Garfield Dixon.
Oh, gosh. This is for the viewers. This is the viewers' show now.
Oh, that must for the viewer. Who's Garfield Dixon? I don't know. You know?
Garfield. Major Mackerel. Isn't Major Mackerel a part of the new festival?
No.
No. He's not on the line.
He's not in the top 10, as far as I know.
I know Donovan Spalding.
You know Donovan Spalding? Your friend?
No. I mean, I don't know when I find out the name of the artist, I'll tell you. But it's that
That's
one.
The last one?
Yeah, that one is very. It's in the forefront of my mind. Burro Banton. Yes, Burro.
I would never have got that one.
Yes, I've seen it before. Yes.
That's it? One?
Final
two
one
more.
for you, Neville, and
Two
the
more.
viewers.
Two more. Shauna McKenzie.
Oh, that's Itano. That's my friend.
Yeah, my friend too.
I love her music.
I love her too.
That's one of my favorite reggae
One of my
singers.
favorites too.
Ken Booth.
Ken Olivier. Don't, Protege.
OJ, true.
No, his
Protege.
father is Michael Olivier, who is actually from
Olivier.
St. Vincent.
Yeah.
And his mother, you know, his mother did a song, Breakfast in Bed. You know, that's his
Yeah,
mother.
man, big singer, man.
That's his mother.
Lorna.
Yeah, Lorna Bennett.
Lorna Bennett. All right.
All right.
That was OJ, of course. Protege.
Yeah, but you'd have
Olivier.
never got it from the Olivier.
Oliver. No, now you say it, I knew. You know what I was trying to be tricky? I was like, they just gave us another young person. Ken, and me I look on the Ken, and me I wait for a Ken Booth in the mix. What's Ken Booth?
Ken Booth.
You sure Booth is his real last name? The government signs a check. When you sign his
But
check.
I wasn't there when...
No, but before we go, very important, I want to really acknowledge Queen Mother Rita Marley. I want to acknowledge Marcia Griffiths. I want to acknowledge all of the women who are around that have set the foundation for reggae. I want to talk about Tanya Stevens, Elaine, big up yourself. I love you. All of the new girls coming up. As a woman, I support you, and we need to lift more female voices when we're talking about international reggae, paycheck, exposure, and stage time. All right? So I love you all so much. And to all the man them who set the foundation, bless up.
Baba. There you go, Smile Jammers. Now you know your Jamaican Archie's government name. Smile Jamaica continues after this quick break, and we'll be right back.